Hi! I want to tell you about my experience in my university. I got to know about Skyline University Nigeria from a friend of mine who is passionate about quality education. I love the university campus. The environment is always kept clean and serene with state-of-the-art facilities. The faculty members are nice. I can meet them in and after class for further studies about what they've taught me or any other interesting subject that is academic-based. Anytime I come to school, it feels like home because I do practically everything on campus, from learning to eating to praying, as well as spending quality time with friends. Through my participation in extracurricular activities, I've learned to build my passion for music, arts and photography. I learned how to handle cameras, play guitars, and master the act of painting. My name is Sara Natour, a 200 level student of microbiology department in Skyline University Nigeria. Thank you.